Hello students, good morning. I know you are very good at your home. See, in this pandemic period, we are not going anywhere. Right students? Are you all going? No, I know you all are at your home. We get bored sometime, right? We cannot meet our friends, our relatives. We get bored at our home sometimes. See, it is needed sometimes to go somewhere for a change. Students, are you getting my point? Yes, it is very much needed to go sometimes at somewhere for a little bit change. Right? Here I would like to talk about a story. This is two frogs go around the world. See here there are two frogs. Right? Osaka. There in the Japan there are two places, Osaka and Kyoto. Right? See, there are two frogs. One lived in Osaka and one lived in Kyoto. They both get bored at their home. So they both decided to go each other's place. Then Osaka frog what said? Osaka frog said that Kyoto is more beautiful than Osaka. And Kyoto frog said? That Osaka is more beautiful than Kyoto. See, students, both are saying good of each other's place. Right? They both started to climb the mountain. Right, students? They packed their bags and started to go. Osaka frog wanted to go Kyoto and Kyoto frog wanted to go Osaka. See, they both met on the top of the mountain. See students, they both met on the top of the mountain. What happened, students? They met and started talking. Osaka frog says, "Hi, how are you? I am Osaka frog and I just want to see your Kyoto place." And Kyoto frog says, "Yes, of course, I also want to see your Osaka place because I heard that Osaka is more beautiful than Kyoto." Right? So they both started to look their places. See here, I have one surprise for you. I'll show you. Wait a moment. Yes, students, can you see? I have drawn it for you. Yay! See, you can see I have written Japan in the heading. It's a Japan, right, students? Here it's a Kyoto place and here it's a Osaka place. You can see both are different. In Osaka there are some buildings and plants. In Kyoto there are plants only. Okay. See, this is Kyoto frog and this is Osaka frog. I have written this. See. Okay. Kyoto frog says Osaka is more beautiful than Kyoto. And Osaka frog says Kyoto is more beautiful than Osaka. See, they both met on the top of the mountain. Can you see, students? Yes. They both met on the top of the mountain, and see, they both are seeing places. Can you see, students? The both frogs sees their places. See, their eyes are on the top of their head. Right, student? So, Kyoto frog, what Kyoto frog see? See, he sees his own place only, and Osaka frog sees his own place only. Getting my point, students? When after seeing their own places, what Kyoto frog says? Kyoto frog says, see, Kyoto is just sorry, he understands that it's a Osaka. But actually he is seeing Kyoto. And Osaka frog think that he is seeing Kyoto place. But actually he is seeing the Osaka place. Getting my point? Why they both are seeing their own places? Because they both have their eyes. It's on the head, top of the head. That's why when they see, they both are seeing their own places. Now listen, student. What Osaka frog says? Osaka frog says, see, Kyoto is just look like Osaka. And Kyoto frog also says this, that Osaka place is just like Kyoto. So we should not waste our time. We should go back our home. Are you getting my point, students? Yes, there are two frogs. One is from Osaka and one is from Kyoto. Somewhere they both listen. Kyoto frog says, Osaka place is more beautiful than Kyoto. But Osaka frog says, Kyoto is more beautiful than Osaka. Right, students? They both meet on the top of the mountain. They both talk for a long time and say, see, let me see your place. Kyoto frog said, and Osaka frog said, let me see your place. Both started seeing, and they both started seeing their own places only. Okay, students, why it happened? Because they were seeing their eyes, where their eyes were on the top of their head. That's where when they see, they can see their own places. Here also Osaka's eyes are on the top of the head. He says his own place only. Students, can you see? Are you getting? Yes, of course. So after that, they both talk again. They both decided that we should go down to our house, because Kyoto frog says, see, Kyoto frog, what he understand? He says that क्या देखा उसने? तो उसका ही प्लेस देखा और क्या बोलेगा? उसको तो ऐसा लगा कि ये ओसाका है. He think that this is Osaka, but actually it is Kyoto. Then he is saying that Osaka is the same like Kyoto. And what Osaka frog says? See, Kyoto is just like Osaka. We should go down. We should go down at our home. We should not waste our time. I hope students you understood this story. We will read this story again. I will give you more explanation of this story, and I hope you enjoyed. So bye students. See, before sorry, you should read. You should try to read the story before I will explain. I will read the story. You have to read the story by your own. Try it. We will read it again. But you should try it. It is seriously, it's an interesting story, and I know you will enjoy this. Okay, students. Bye bye.